Happy Wednesday, everyone. It's such a nice day out today. I couldn't keep myself from coming in here. It's just perfect. Like the fall weather, it's here, and it's substantial, the amount of leaves that have fallen in literally the last 24 hours. I'm always so motivated this time of year. Not that I'm not usually in the warmer days, but I definitely in the dog days of summer, I get a little slower. But right now, I'm good to go. If only it would stay dark until like 9 o'clock still, but that's just not the case. So let's just see what we can do. Maybe make some good food today instead of waiting until it's completely black dark. So I came in here last night and I just was tired and I didn't feel like filming, and I should knock myself in the head whenever I feel that way, because it turned out to be pretty cool. And the stuff that I had done just kind of played around a little bit. I didn't have any of the power tools with me, so I just used the little hand saw. Didn't even cook any food really, but I did have the coffee, and we know how important that is. It's been like a homeless shelter a little bit out here. I promise it's coming to a head and it's going to be clean. So I tinkered around in here last night and started kind of fabricating a small little table on the side around this stump, which was a challenge with a little handsaw. And then up top here, hard to see, but I did cover it with plastic, and we'll see what we can do with that today as well. Door changes every time I open it. As soon as the weather's warm, it totally changes. Gets more sticky. Tool time! Funny coming out here a lot of the times. I almost need a shopping list of what I'd like to do, because I get out here and it's like grocery shopping without the list. A lot of it just disappears and I end up doing things that I didn't even plan on doing. Boom. And like that, it's done. And now it's got to sit for what, 2 hours before it's cool. Well, no, I'm joking, but yeah, not drinking it yet. Just getting rid of a little stump that's literally right in the path of the main drag here to the cabin. I think I trip on it every single time, and I almost eat the ground every other single time. Okay, let's check. Oh yeah, I don't care how hot it is out. Coffee's always perfect in my books. Well, we got the wood stove over here now. Let's see how this will work for the winter. Leaves on everything. I mean, it's like half the forest dropped. You know, I'm not the world's greatest woodworker, that's for sure. But whatever I build is not going to move. And I have a lot of fun doing it. So yeah. I mean, it's cool to learn. Things like, as an example, I just did this cut and I filled my boot full of sawdust, which is an awesome feeling. That's like fiberglass mixed with wool socks. Good times. Draw the line. Draw the line. I could feel my dad looking down, or he's kind of standing beside me, so to speak. Shaking his head a little bit. Or he's like, ah, right on. I remember doing crap like that. My dad's ruler. How ironic. Literally turned around as I'm talking about him, and there's his ruler. So old. It's probably his dad's. I have no idea what the story is on it. I'm a big fan of things like this that kind of bring back memories of awesome people. Probably the beginning of being a hoarder. Okay, baby. Let's fit. Ooh, like a glove. Amazing. That's awesome. Thank you, Father. See if we can sketch this to fit somehow. I don't love this last one here. I think I'm going to try and redo it. See if I can wrap it around somehow. Okay, drum roll. Oh yeah. Freaking awesome. Not bad. Not too bad. Oh, and kind of an anomaly. Oh yeah, it's level. Sandwich should be so good. Once the cabin is more progressed, we'll be definitely doing some more cooking. We've been really hell-bent on getting it closed for the winter. My day job, I pay a lot of attention to the weather. I pay a lot of attention to the farmers. The Farmer's Almanac. They know what they're talking about. They're usually pretty accurate. I don't have a lot of faith in the weatherman sometimes. I can't imagine it would be a very easy job. Well, our little fire pit here, we're burning this little stump. I figure, you know what the heck? I'm just going to use this as our fire pit. It's pretty warm out. I just wasn't up to making a fire just to make a couple of turkey grilled cheeses. So let's let that warm up and we'll see how it goes. Okay, that didn't take very long. It's pretty freaking warm. It's awesome. Gotta love cast iron. I think it needs more turkey. There we go. Let's see how that goes. Doesn't look bad. Stump burning grilled cheese. Not bad. Here, you can have this piece if you'd like. Help yourself. I should truly celebrate, considering that I was able to get some food before it was completely dark. All right, let's give this a go. I already know I'm gonna burn like every part of my mouth, but I'm just so freaking hungry. Oh my God, man. That old cheddar is worth every dollar. Oh man. Yep, I'm definitely a wealthier person inside now because I've had that bite. Anyway, I won't bore you with my eating. See you shortly. Let's take a look at our stump here. See how successful we've gotten. How the progress is. I think we have success. It's amazing how resilient these can be. There's still some right there. Not bad though. I can bury it, and that's fine by me. There's another one right there. Well, we're winding down a little early tonight. I'm going to probably pack it in, have a hot chocolate maybe, and just chill out. Put away the tools, and I'm just going to call it an evening for now. But I'll see you again shortly. And keep this train rolling for sure. Always is awesome to have you here. So appreciate you. Oh, cheers everybody. Well, here we are. It's coming to the sunset yet again. This is the best way to end the day. I love this. I love sitting here chatting with you, enjoying my beverage, my hot beverage. And I just want to wish you well. All of you out there, I'd appreciate you. And thanks for coming. I'm going to pack it in. I'm going to head her home. And probably be back here tomorrow, so we'll carry on. Sound good? All right. See you then.